sun. On Lake Wiley.
Reminds me of that song.
I ain't never seen that sun look like that. It looks weird, don't it?
Red sky and morning. Sailor warning.
Looked off the screen. Normally it's kind of yellow, so white, bright.
Sure is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. You talking about the sunrise or the house?
The house is what I was looking
That is a nice house. It's a beautiful house. It's just right. Not too big, not too little. I like it. If I win the lottery, I'll get me one. Far away from here though. Professional fishing team there, ain't it? They got some kind of name on the side of that boat. Can't make it out.